So I went to the mail, and well, I already know what it is. The lamb cow, but it had a broken leg, and we've had it for a few years now. It gets used a lot, and so we've been using it. But then, with the broken leg, it was a kind of a pain. Then this little arsehole got a hold of it. Now the ends don't have their nice rubber, like grippy thing. So they were on pretty cheap, way cheaper than when we got the first one. So I ordered myself one and my wife one because I just thought I'd blow a little bit of my scrap money on trying to improve the YouTube experience. So anyways, I'm going to open one so that I can do an unboxing of the other. Okay. Alright, so this is the lamb cow. Pretty decent box. Kind of damaged here in shipping or something. Maybe not in shipping, I don't know. It kind of looks like it's cracked. And then there's a bit of damage there. Oh, over on this side too. So the other box was immaculate. So now in here we have the phone holder part. It's actually a good quality. It's got a little bit of give to it. So this is the new one. I guess it's the same, but it's just newer, so just sturdier. The other one is a few years old. I don't even remember when we got the other one, but it was years ago. This, I'm not too sure what it's for. I know it, like, this goes on the top of the tripod, but something fits in there. I just don't know what. Nothing I have. Then, this is the tripod. I know that my wife used to have I wonder what maybe that's for the other thing to screw into here. I don't know what that would be for. Or it screws into another tripod, maybe, if you're like a regular tripod. No clue. Anyways, it's well constructed. Like our other one, like I said, I think we paid $45 for it. The legs will bend. You can wrap them around whatever. But I'm not doing a review on it. I'm just doing like an unboxing, showing you what you get with it. I believe these were only like 25 bucks, maybe 29 bucks. I'm pretty sure it was like about 50 bucks for two, which is why I got two, because why wouldn't you? This is also different than the last one, and it seems better. Like, this is the original build, and you just tighten this down. But on this one, you just tighten this up. You don't have to. So, like, you could fix it while it's on the stand a lot easier than having to, like, unscrew the thing. You just loosen this off, move it around to wherever you want. You can put it down to the side, wherever. The one I have filming this is right down the side, like that. Yeah, this seems like a better thing. So yeah, for like, and it arrived in only a few days. Like, I was really impressed with how fast the shipping is, and like it's a good quality product. I assume this is as good or better than the old style. Like, it seems like all the same. Like, the legs, they're nice, and I'm not actually. I guess I could take the old one apart. I better not yet, but I will eventually take that apart and see what exactly is in there. But yeah, you can wrap these around stuff. You can kind of mold it to whatever you want. If you want to hang it off your mirror while you're driving, you could, which I might try that. Yeah, so anyways, that's the unboxing of our Lamb Cow adjustable, I don't know what you call it. It's adjustable tripod anyhow. If you've ever used a Joby or, you know, those other style things. I know this is pretty bad lighting, but it's a, you know, for the money, you can't beat it. All right. This is what I have been using. I maybe have already showed it in a video, but it was a selfie stick. It was broken. I just kind of taped it back together. It's not bad because, like, if you want to put it up high, but I have to put it on something better than this. If this is perfectly flat, it's not too bad. But if it's not flat, like if it's got any sort of a, like say you lifted it up a little bit on one side, it just automatically just starts to like flop around with the wind or whatever. So yeah, that's what I've been using for, oh, I don't know, almost a year, I would say. And the other problem with this is this spring is like, I don't know, stretched kind of past its limit. So it doesn't really hold the, you have to put your phone in and then close it down. And my phone that I'm using right now to film is, it's pretty big with its case on, and it kind of brings that thing right out to the edge. But anyways, that's, now I'll use the, I'm going to use the old one, maybe hang it from up above the workbench, and then if I'm going to do any like close-up stuff, not that I do anything so fantastic I need that, but you know, you could have something that's like, you know, right in on the where you're working. What I should be doing is cleaning this mess up, but I'm not. So yeah, that's that. All right, I got to get back to snow blowing.